and today I'm gonna showcase this 2048 game that I just created. So basically, first of all, this game is mobile responsive, so you can play this on any device like a laptop, mobile, or a tablet. In a tablet or mobile, you can operate the board using these arrow buttons, and on a laptop, you can operate the board using your arrow keys. So let's see how we can play this game. 2048 is played on a plain 4x4 grid with numbered tiles that slide when a player moves them using the 4 arrow keys. Every turn, a new tile randomly appears in an empty spot on the board with a value of either 2 or 4. Tiles slide as far as possible in the chosen direction until they are stopped by either another tile or the edge of the grid. If two tiles of the same number collide while moving, they will merge into a tile with the total value of the two tiles that collided. The resulting tile cannot merge with another tile again in the same move. This is how you can play a 2048 and the rules of 2048. Now let's play a test game of 2048. So as you can see that I'll just randomly press keys on my keyboard, arrow keys on my keyboard like the up, down, left and right keys, and the board we are operating the board using our arrow keys. Now we have pressed the buttons, so the board is being operated using the buttons on our screen. Now let's just complete this game and see till which score can I reach. Right now I'm just pressing randomly the buttons and not putting in my brain, but if I put in my brain then this video will be very long, so let's just speed run this. So just it is going like this. Okay, so it is going on and we have reached till the end and we only reached till 256, right? So randomly pressing I reached till 256, but if you put in your brain you will definitely reach a higher score. Let's see the uses of this game. As many other games that are seemingly endless, 2048 is challenging your brain to figure out solution to more and more complex situations. So basically, this will improve your problem solving skills and your predictability skills. This is also a fun way to learn maths. This game will improve your predictability skills, that you have to predict the correct thing. Like you have to predict what will happen on whenever you play a move and which type of which number will come, a 2 or 4, and according to that you have to play your move. Problem solving is over here because you can be in some tight situation at times when there are very little spots free on the board and you have to get out that situation very quickly, or your game will end and you won't be able to reach till 2048. And this is also a fun way to learn math.